Hello everyone, my name is Rizal Amri Rozaqi. My name is 23.01.4955. I am a student of Informatics Engineering at Amicom University. In this video, I will present my English final exam covering two topics. First, the definition and function of noun clause, and second, a summary of my group presentation on IoT device. Let's start with part A, noun clause. So, what is a noun clause? It's a dependent clause that functions as a noun. Even though it contains a subject and a verb, it cannot stand alone as a sentence. In the world of IT, we use this structure all the time to explain complex technical process. Here are some examples relevant to informatics engineering. First, using what. Programmers understand what the code executes. Second, using who. The system log records who access the database. And third, using whom. The IT manager decides whom to hire for the project. Next, let's look at location, time, and reason. Using where, we can track where data packet is sent. Using when, the script determines when the backup starts. And using why, engineers analyze why the server crashed. Moving on to choice and ownership. Using which, the user chooses which operating system to install. Using whose, it is unclear whose password was stolen. And using how, this tutorial explains how artificial intelligence learns. Finally, for conditions. Using if, please check if the firewall is active. And using whether, we must test whether the software is compatible. Now, I will move to part B, a summary of our presentation on Internet of Things, or IoT. Okay, IoT refers to physical devices that are connected to the Internet. Common examples include smart lamps, smart watches, and smart home system. The main goal of IoT is to make our daily activities easier and more automatic. So, how do IoT devices work? It involves three main steps. First, sensors collect data from the environment, such as temperature or motion. Second, this data is sent via the internet to the cloud, where it is processed and analyzed. And third, the system sends the result back to the user, allowing them to control or monitor the device directly from their smartphone. Pros and cons. Using IoT has both advantages and disadvantages. On the positive side, it automates tasks and help us save time and energy. However, there are disadvantages. IoT devices depend heavily on an internet connection. If the internet goes down, the device may stop working. Also, there are serious risks regarding data privacy and security. In conclusion, IoT technology transforms how we live by connecting physical objects to the digital world. It offers convenience, but users must use this device wisely and ensure security measures are in place. That brings us to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.